Good morning, students. Our today's topic is subtraction. So today we will learn how to subtract two-digit numbers. Before we start subtraction, here is a poem for you on subtraction. More on the top, no need to stop. Numbers are same, zero is the game. More on the floor, knock the next door and borrow 10 more. Understand how to use this poem in subtraction. More on the top, no need to stop. That means if the number is more on the top, then we don't have to stop here. We have to subtract directly. So when we subtract 3 from 6, what we get? Yes, we get 3 here. Here numbers are the same, 0 is the game. That means if the numbers at one's place are same, 5 and 5, here the numbers are same. So the answer is 0 here. When we subtract 5 from 5, we get 0. More on the floor, knock the next door. So the number on the floor or bottom is greater than the number on the top. That means 2 is smaller than 5, or we can say 5 is greater than 2. Here we cannot subtract 5 from 2. That means we have to borrow number from tens place. Here at tens place we have 6 tens. So we have to borrow 1 10. So 1 10 is equal to 10 ones. Okay. But here we have 2. Okay. So 10 plus 2 is 12. After this, what we do? We have to, if we give 1 to this, we have to subtract 1 from here. So if we subtract 1 from 6, what we get? What we are left with? Yes, we are left with 5. So 12 minus 5, or subtract 5 from 12. So what we get? After 5, what we have? 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So how many boxes? Yes, 7. So the answer is 7 here. Remember one thing. When we have to subtract from tens place, we cannot subtract 4 from 6. We have to subtract 4 from 5, because we have given 1 10 to ones place. So 5 minus 4 is 1. Let's begin. So here is the first example. So in this we have to subtract 7 from 26. That means we have to subtract single number from double digit. Okay. Always remember, whenever we add or subtract number, we always start with ones place. Look, at ones place we have 6 and 7. So in subtraction, first we have to observe, is this number is greater than this or smaller than this? So 6 is less than 7 or greater than 7? Good. 6 is less than 7. So we cannot subtract 7 from 6. So here we need to borrow a number from tens place. Here we have 2 tens. So we need to borrow 1 10, and here we are left with 1 10. Okay. So 1 10 plus 6 ones is equal to 16. Yes, very good. So we need to subtract 7 from 16. Yes, what comes after 7? Yes, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So how many boxes? Yes, 9. So 16 minus 7 is 9. and here we have nothing. Here it means we have 0. So 1 minus 0 is 1. So the answer is 19. Look, here at 1's place we have 0 and 8. That means we have to subtract 8 from 0. But 8 is greater than 0. So we cannot subtract 8 from 0. Now what will we do? Yes, we need to borrow from 10's place. Here we have 5 tens. So we need to borrow from 5 tens. And here we are left with 4 tens. So 1 10 plus 0 ones is equal to 10. Very good. Now subtract this. What comes after 8? Yes, 9 and 10. So, how many boxes? 2. Good. Now, here we have to subtract 2 from 4. Not from 5, from 4. Yes. So, what comes after 2? 3, 4, 2. So, the answer is 22. 2 tens and 2 ones. Let's take another example. So at 1's place we have 8 and 9. Again the number at the floor is greater than the number on the top. So here we have to borrow a number from 10's place. That means from 6 tens. So when we borrow from 6 tens, we are left with 5 tens here, and here 1 tens plus 8 ones is equal to, that means 1 tens means 10 plus 8 is equal to 18. So now we have to subtract 9 from 18 and 4 from 5. So count with me. What comes after 9? 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. How many boxes? Yes, 9. And what comes after 4? 5. Only 1. So the answer is 19. 1 10 and 9 ones.